As an educator, I often get asked how to sculpt a deeper C-curve. So let's start by applying the sculpting form. I like to prepare the sculpting form and pre-pinch it before I remove it. Take the tab, stick it at the back for support. Close the tab, but not all the way because we'll be sculpting a square. And a little hack, if you battle to keep your sculpting forms open at the end, take the back side of your brush, dip it in some acrylic powder, not too much, and just shove it in there and use it as a mold to just form your sculpting form like that. There we go. Okay. Standard application is insert, and these lines need to extend straight from the nail groove. So what do you do if your C-curves are not more than 30% of a circle? You are going to elevate your sculpting form more. It's important to determine where you are going to sculpt it to. So let's say you are sculpting to space number 3, then that end needs to meet up with where you want your apex to be, your arch. So there where your acrylic's going to stop needs to be in line with where your arch is going to be. So let's do the application and compare the two nails. Look at the difference. This is a nail sculpted just coming, there we go, where the lines just come straight from the nail groove, and this is the C-curve if it's elevated.